Did you know that Instagram still doesn't let you create stories directly from your computer? It's kind of annoying, but there's actually a simple trick to unlock that feature right now. Here's how to do it. First, open Instagram on your browser, preferably Google Chrome. Then, click on the three dots in the top right corner, go to More Tools, and choose Developer Tools. If you're using another browser, like Edge or Brave, just right-click anywhere on the page and select Inspect. It works the same way. Now look at the top of the developer panel and click on the little mobile device icon. This basically tricks Instagram into thinking you're using a phone. After that, refresh the page and boom, you'll instantly see the full mobile layout appear. From here, you can upload photos or videos, add text, stickers, and even post your story exactly like you would on your phone. It's a super useful hack if you manage social media, create content from your PC, or just prefer editing your stories on a bigger screen. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe, and check out the other guides on the channel. I've got tons of shortcuts and hidden tricks like this one.